Storytime Square. Let's leap into adventure. No, David, by David Shannon. David's mom always said, "No, David." No, David. Looks like David's trying to steal cookies from the tall shelf. No, David, no. Can you believe that David's tracking mud on the white carpet? No, no, no. After all of that playing in the mud, he sure is making a mess in the bathtub. Come back here, David. I think David may have forgotten his bath towel. David, be quiet. Don't play with your food. Looks like he made a pretty cute potato man. That's enough, David. Go to your room. Settle down. Seems like David took this time to practice being a superhero. Stop that this instant. Oh no, David, that is so gross. Put your toys away. David sure has made a mess. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Davy, come here. Yes, David, I love you.